Ratio, a fraction. A ratio is one number compared to another. Healthy people to sick people is 5/1, parentheses pronounced 5/1, end parentheses. It means that for every 5 healthy people, there is 1 sick person. The ratio can be reversed as in sick to healthy people is 1/5, parentheses pronounced 1/5, end parentheses. It can be restated that there is 1 sick person for every 5 healthy people. Ratios are usually written with a colon between the numerator and the denominator, as in 5:1. Sometimes the ratio is explained with a little more like, parentheses, the ratio of healthy to sick people is 5:1. This might also be written, the ratio of healthy sick people is 5:1. It might also just be stated as, quote, the number of sick people is 1 out of every 5 healthy people, end quote. It might also be stated, quote, there is a sick person for every 5 healthy people, end quote. Just like with a fraction, a ratio can be easily understood as a percentage. 1/5 is 0.2 times 100% is 20%. Hence, 20% of all people are sick people. Basically speaking, a ratio is a fraction. Related words: fraction, numerator, denominator, fraction bar, percent.